that. Get all this action on film here, babe. I'll try not to gut myself. These things are, I like to work with things that, it's all got to be picked up. Things that are good for 8-year-olds to do. So what happened is, we did the pink out of the kitchen, put the pump on, you know how it goes. It doesn't go like that, it goes, keeps pumping. What? Water's going somewhere. Everything's off. No, it's not. This blew off. We had a small flood, but we got her under control now. Anyways, let's see how simple this really is. Shouldn't take more than like a minute. Oh, very nice. Okay.
So front and the back?
Oh,
it doesn't fit.
It's got a center plug right here. But, okay, so it's not a minute. If this, it's going to be 3 days. If this wasn't here, it would be just, you can see. Put it on, oh, let's have a barbecue. Yeah, okay, great, but it's not. But I'm, you know,
Okay, but before we start making holes,
we can take it back.
Sure
What? We can take it back if you want, or
no.
You know what's happening.
I'm okay with
we just
making a
drill.
hole, but we wanted to make sure that this thing wasn't too short. Remember, it's a different style.
It looks actually pretty good.
Yeah,
I can live with that.
Because we don't need to put big buckets.
Yep,
in
and
there.
it's oh, this is so much better than this. I'm sure they're both made in China, but I don't really care. This one's a higher quality for sure. Okay, so that's it. Turn it off. We're done. We got to drill a hole. Yeah, I'm going to fill that with insulation too. We're going to have this on here. It's gonna be great. So much more solid. Oh, it's gonna be just wonderful. Oh, this dull is so. For this bit is so so dull, but I can't get through the bottom. I just tried. It's like I said, okay, hang on a sec. That's a mile away. Sweet Jesus, the mosquitoes are out. You guys see my elbow? This is, I can see what a professional plumber would do is probably put this on the sink before you put it in. I'm doing this completely blind, just by feel. And well, I got some training of doing this stuff in the dark. So I'll call it all. I'm going to go double wrap. Oh, I'm nervous. I'm nervous. I couldn't even look at what I was doing. Oh, I did a good job. Go for a walk back here. Can you see that? It's darker than hell. Probably can't see nothing. Anyways, it's wrapped good. We'll find out when I edit what you guys see, if anything. Now I just screw it back on. Oh, tremendous. Tremendous. Thanks for coming along. I'll get the other one. So I got to stop that. So that's going to go a little bit of pink. I got to clean that up properly now. Hey, there it is. The sink's in. Okay, it's done. I don't got the water on, but it looks way better. I gotta clean up a little more here, but it's all got the tape on it now. As I said, done to the Marabil standard, not the Forest River standard, at least on this particular model. Okay, let's call it a wrap. Put this back on and put the one inside on underneath because the water's all done and almost ready for Auntie Gee, her bedroom. Well, she is here next week.